Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Nissan Pathfinder. First, ensure your seat and mirrors are properly adjusted for a clear view of your surroundings. Take a moment to locate essential controls like headlights, wipers, and climate. Understand the gear selector: P for park, R for reverse, N for neutral, and D for drive. This foundational knowledge is crucial before starting your journey. To begin, press the brake pedal and push the start button to ignite the engine. Once running, shift the gear selector into D for drive and release the parking brake. Gently press the accelerator pedal to move forward, ensuring smooth acceleration. Always maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles and adhere to posted speed limits for a secure drive. Your Pathfinder offers several advanced features to enhance your driving experience. For challenging conditions, engage the all-wheel drive system to improve traction. On longer trips, activate cruise control to maintain a consistent speed, reducing driver fatigue. Familiarize yourself with safety assist systems like blind spot warning and lane keeping assist for added protection on the road. When parking, utilize the available parking sensors and rearview camera for accurate maneuvering into your spot. Once parked, shift into P and engage the parking brake for security. Regular maintenance, like oil changes every 5,000 miles, is vital for your Pathfinder's longevity. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Enjoy your Pathfinder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.